Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I have a quick case review video for the iPhone X. It's being sponsored by Minimal Case, and I think you'll enjoy it. Now you've seen their cases on the channel before, and today I've included some bonus footage. So make sure that you stick around until the end of this review. Enin here from U Droid Mania, and you're watching my quick review. So let's do this. This is a one-piece case made from a really thin TPU. It's 0.35 millimeters thin to be exact. Now I don't think you can really appreciate this on camera, but trust me, you gotta see it to believe it. Personally, I always enjoy a thin case for two reasons. One, no bulk, and two, it doesn't take away from the manufacturer's design. And so now that we've got that out of the way, let's have a closer look, shall we? In typical U Droid fashion, we'll start from the bottom of the case. You'll find the proper and precise cutouts. You'll not have any issues connecting your power cables or accessories. On the left-hand side of the case, there's actual cutouts for the volume up and down buttons. This means that you get the actual feel from the buttons of your phone. I like that. Up top, there's nothing here, but you do get some scratch protection. And on the right-hand side, the sleep-wake is accessible. On the back of the case, you've got a raised cutout for the camera bump. This will aid in scratch protection here as well. What I like most about these cases, besides their thinness, is their affordability. They're easy on the pockets and the budget as well. These cases come in multiple colors, as well as different models for those flagship phones out there. So if you're into thin cases as I am, I've got a link down below if you're interested, so go and check them out. Okay, so there you guys have it. What do you think of this video? Leave it in the comments down below. If you've enjoyed it, do leave a thumbs up. And if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button while you're at it. Welcome to the channel. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.